Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn experience entries with achievement metrics, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or selecting View Profile from the drop-down menu. Locate the Experience section on your profile. If you already have experience entries, find the position you want to edit. Click on the pencil icon next to the position to edit it. If you need to add a new experience entry, click on the Add Experience button. Fill in the necessary fields such as job title, company name, and employment dates. Now, focus on the description area. Instead of writing a generic job description, highlight your achievements. Use action verbs to demonstrate your contributions. Quantify your achievements with metrics whenever possible. For example, instead of saying increased sales, say increased sales by 30% within 6 months. Add any awards or recognition. To make your entry visually appealing, use bullet points for clarity. Keep your language concise and avoid complex jargon. Once you finish detailing your achievements, review your entry for clarity and accuracy. If everything looks good, click the Save button. Repeat these steps for any additional experience entries. After updating your entries, take a moment to view your profile as others would see it. Make sure your achievements are highlighted prominently. Consider asking a colleague or mentor to review your profile for feedback. Regularly update your experience section as you achieve new milestones. This ensures your profile remains relevant and professional. By following these steps, your LinkedIn profile will effectively showcase your experiences with impactful achievement metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.